How to freeze location on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you freeze location on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, you have to open settings on your iPhone. Now from the settings, you'll have to scroll down and tap on privacy and security. From your tap on location services. Now from here at the top, simply tap and turn off location services. After that, you can just try to freeze location in the Find My app. For that, simply open settings and tap on your Apple ID name at the top. Now from here, simply tap on Find My. From the section, tap and turn off for Share My Location. After that, you can use airplane mode for your iPhone. Swipe down to open Control Center. From here, you can find the airplane mode and turn on that. After that, your iPhone location will be freezed. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorial like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.